Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I'm coming to you back with the voiceover. So the unit I'm going to be reviewing today, it was sent to me by Asteria hair. You guys know I have worked with this company before, and initially I was just showing you guys, because I'm moving too fast, I was just showing you guys what all came in the packaging. Now this unit is body wave unit. It's 22 inches long and is 180% density, and it's a 6x6 closure wig. Yes honey, I said closure, and I was feeling this closure. So you guys saw the parting space and you know the amount of hair that you'll have to be able to part. I decided with this particular wig that I want to do some crimps, honey. Yes. Okay, right here I'm using my Tiggy bed head wax stick. You guys know I love that, and I will have a link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. But anyways, I decided to do some crimps with another thing that I got from Amazon, and it is by Bedhead as well, and it's just like a crimping iron. I'm sorry that I'm moving so fast, y'all. I had to make this a little bit more speedy because it was way too long. It's still too long, but you know, just bear with me. Okay, right here I was just using my Fructis holding spray. I did not use spritz because I wanted more of a soft look, and I used that, and then I'm gonna go through using this little iron and make myself some crimps. Okay, and you guys kind of see how that goes, and I'm basically gonna be repeating that over and over and over again. I'm gonna show you guys multiple times because I want you to really have a good look on how I did this. But yeah, so basically everything else, anything you need to know about the unit, I will have it listed down below for you guys' convenience. So shout out to Asteria hair once again for sending me this unit. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am finished styling this wig, and y'all, it's a look, okay? It may not, I don't know if it's a look to y'all, but it's definitely a look to me, okay? But before I get into all of that and everything that I used and everything that I did and my review on this unit, blah, 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 I want to give you guys the specs on this unit. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Asteria Hair. I have worked with Asteria Hair before, multiple times at this point, and I do like the company. I do like their hair. I have no complaints with them, okay? So anyways, this unit is a 6x6 closure wig. It's 22 inches long and it's 180% density. And y'all, closure is where it's at. Closure is where it's at. I don't even know if I have owned a closure wig. It has been a very long time ago. Most of the units that I get are frontals. And honey, putting on this closure saves so much time. It was so much easier. Closures is where it's at, okay? For me, for the lazy people that are like me, closures are where it's at. And when I got it, when I took it out, I was looking at it like, child, I guess when they told me what they were sending me, child, I didn't even know what it was. Like, like, I don't know what I had in my head. But it's literally, the lace is just, it stops right here. So you got all of this room as far as parting space. Like if you wanted to, you can, you know, wear it on the, you can wear it to the left or to the right. You still have a good amount of parting space. It's just not like a frontal. It's not the whole thing. And to me, that was super, super convenient. I'm not planning on doing a whole lot of styles with this wig. Like I wasn't planning on putting it up in a ponytail. I wasn't planning on doing all this other, you know, extra stuff to it. So it was actually really, really perfect. Yeah, I'm feeling the whole closure thing. So let me let you guys get a better look at it. So that's what it looks like. And I did put some, I wasn't going to put any Got to Be Glued free spray on it. And then I was like, oh, let's just put a little bit, you know, just in that area. Well, that's the only area you can put it because it's all the lace. But I did use my Got to Be Glued Glam Force free spray. And I just applied it to that area and used my comb and, you know, did my normal method. And it was so easy. I did not cut the lace on my head like I normally do. I just went ahead and cut it where right in front of where the hair starts or where the baby hairs were. I cut it right there, and that's it. Honestly, this wig was super, super easy. The only thing that took the longest amount of time is the crimps, and I know I'm looking stiff, and I don't know why. I think if I'm stiff, these curls are, I mean these crimps aren't gonna go anywhere. Y'all, I did not use any spritz. So it's really, really soft, and I feel like these crimps are going to be gone any minute now, and I got to get me some good pictures before they are gone. That's literally how I feel, and I don't know why I think sitting here like a freaking robot doing that is going to prevent the crimps from the crimps from going away, because honey, if they want to go away, they're going to go away. But anyways, I didn't want to use any spritz because that wasn't the look I was going for. I was really going for a more soft crimps. I have did it before with the spritz with my yellow wig, and yeah, honey, them crimps were still there. But I was going more for a soft look, you know. So instead, I used my Fructis Full Control hairspray, and it says 24-hour hold, but it's super soft. Like the hair is real, real soft, so I really feel like it's not gonna last no 24 hours, child. But that's what this can say, and I used that because I knew it would keep the crimps soft, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be soft. Now if you want some crimps that's gonna last, I suggest you using spritz first and then spritz crimp. The same way I use this, that's how you should use spritz if you want, you know, some crimps that are really gonna last. I don't know if you guys saw it. Mine don't quite look like hers, but that's kind of the look I was going for. Nicki Minaj, she took a picture, like it's been a while back, maybe a month or so ago, and she had these crimps in her hair, and she looked so soft and so pretty. Like to me, usually Nicki Minaj is kind of like, you know, she don't really, to me, she doesn't ever look very soft. You know, she kind of looks like, you know, she got an attitude all the time, but she looked very soft. And she had this black hair, and I thought she looked really, really pretty. And I thought she looked really, really soft and really, really pretty. And I saw that, and I was like, you know what? The next time I get a body wave unit, and I wanted to do it on a body wave unit, I felt like it would just be easier. I don't know. But yeah, I was like, next time I get a body wave unit, I'm gonna do me some really soft crimps and kind of try to mimic that look. So yeah, that's how. And I think I showed you guys enough. I hope you guys were able to see. I do have another video doing crimps, and it's I'll try to remember to put that down below or something. But it's easy. I use my bed head Tiggy Away We Go, and literally I just go, I close it, and then whatever's the last one, I go to that one. And it's really, really simple, and I just go all the way down. Now, it's simple, but it's tedious. I also use my Fruity Sleek and Shine. I put that on there just to try to prevent some of the frizz. And I think that's pretty much it. I also did use my Sally Hansen airbrush legs on the lace. I do not tint my laces. I don't bleach my knots. I just always use my Sally Hansen bed head. And then I went in with my Fit Me matte and poreless foundation in the shade 360 and just put that on that parting space. And child, that was it. I felt like this was a really, really easy wig, y'all. And to me, if you are more of an amateur, obviously a closure would be better than getting a frontal wig. Like, I feel like it just really saves a lot of time. Like, child, I would definitely recommend you guys getting you a closure. I would recommend you getting this closure. But anyway, as for the hair in itself, the hair has not shedded or tangled. There are a few flyaways. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe not. I don't know. But there are a few flyaways. I personally, I always say this, I don't mind flyaways, but I do know that's a thing for some people. Like, that's how they feel about flyaways. But I personally don't mind them. And I do have my Tiki Bed Head wax stick, and I use those on flyaways. And I also use that right here in the front because I really wanted this part to be like you guys see. Like, I wanted to make sure that the hair laid flat, and if I had to put some crimps here, it kind of would give me that, you know, that bulky look. So I wanted to make sure this part laid flat, so I put my Tiki Bed Head stick on there, and I went through it with my hot comb. So yeah, that's pretty much how I achieved it. Now, I haven't noticed any shedding, or I did mention no tangling. Did I mention that? I don't know. I didn't notice any. But yeah, so the hair is really nice. I did use the combs on the sides, and there are two combs on either side. I got both of those in place, and I did use the adjustable straps in the back because the hair was kind of, the cap was kind of big. Not super big, just kind of big. And because I wasn't adhering like a front, I knew that I needed to make sure I crisscrossed that. I am feeling this wig. I think it is super cute. How long did I say it is? Yeah, this wig is 22 inches. I don't know if I mentioned this before. I'm sure I have. That I actually prefer 22-inch wigs. I'm not a super tall person. I'm 5'4", and 22 inches is like that good length for me. It's not too long and it's not too short. 20 and 22 are like perfect for me. So that's my length, honey. Okay, that's definitely my length. But yeah, I am feeling the wig. I think it's cute. I hope you guys like my crimps. As you guys know, baby hairs, you know, some people like them, some people don't. You don't have to do them. Like, if you don't like baby hairs, child, you ain't got to do them. Like, you ain't got to do them. But anyways, I'll try to remember to put everything that I used down below in the description box for you guys' convenience, along with this crimping iron, because I also did get this from Amazon, I think for like $30. And right now, crimps are trendy. So, $30, and you can adjust it. Like, depending on what type of waves you want. But anyways, I love it. I love this look. I did achieve the look that I was going for. I'm really, really proud of myself. Patting myself on the back. Yay, Chrissy. Let me know down below what you guys think about this look. If you think this is cute. If you like the crimps. You know what I mean. And also let me know if you know what Nicki Minaj picture I'm talking about. But anyways, in the meantime, between time, I'm just going to show you guys. Give you guys a lint check. Lord, please don't mess up these things. So, this is how long the hair is on me. And you guys, you will be seeing this this outfit twice. I double filmed today, so don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. You guys know I wear the same outfit over and over and over and over and over again, especially if I like it, okay? But yeah, today I just happen to be bulk filming, so don't judge me. Also, don't judge my nails because I still ain't got them done. But anyways, y'all ain't studying none of that. Let me give you guys a full 360. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So let me know down below what you guys think about my crimps. Are you feeling the crimps on me? Are you feeling the look? Are you feeling the middle part? Just overall, are you just feeling this? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out Asteria hair. I will have a direct link to this wig down below in the description box. I will give you a direct link to the wig and a direct link to their site. So all of that stuff will be down below in the description box. Also, y'all, if I forget to put something in the description box, you know, like a product that I use, feel free to comment down below and let me know, y'all, because I'm crazy. I forget. I think I'll be and forgot what video it is and what I'm supposed to put in. Chat. Just let me know. I don't mind. Just to be like, Chrissy, girl, you forgot to put such and such in the description box, and I will do it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Click that subscribe button. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beat on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.